Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore a full website in Siteground step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to siteground.com. At the top right, click Login and enter your account details. Go to My Siteground account, choose the website you want to restore, and click Site Tools. In Site Tools, look at the left menu and click Security. Under this section, select Backups. Here, you'll see a list of all available backups, each with its date and time. Find the backup you want, click the three-dot menu next to it, and choose Restore Databases. Confirm your choice, and Siteground will begin restoring your website. The process may take a few minutes depending on your site's size, but once finished, your website will be back to the exact state it was at the time of that backup. And that's it. Restored your full website in Siteground. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials.